Estimate the area under the curve y is equal to cos e to the x squared between x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 0.5. Okay, so we're going to use the what's known as the trapezium rule with 5 intervals. Normally this will be told to you in a question. So the trapezium rule says the area is approximately equal to a half h of y0 plus 2 times y1, y2, y3, y4 plus y5. So if we just look at what this actually looks like, so here is a graph of the particular part of f of x is e to the cos x. Here we just have 2 trapeziums, okay, and I want the area from 0 to 0.5. We'll notice here that we have a gap here. Because the curve is concave downwards, this will give an underestimate for the area. So if we change the number of intervals to 5, which is what we're actually doing in this question, looks like that, but you won't see, unless we really zoom in, that we actually have an underestimate. Okay, so doing the process, so there's a picture of what I've just did. Now you can actually do this in a table. H, the width, will be 0.5 minus 0 divided by 5, which is 0.1. Divided by 5 because we're going to do 5 intervals. Now, so you can make a table x and xn and yn, and what goes down in the xn will start 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. And basically now you work out the y value that corresponds to each of those. Okay, so the area will be 0.1 divided by 2. 0.1 is h, and we have to divide that by 2, times y0, and then 2 times all these ones here in the middle. And then we just add the last term in. Now, if you do that, you will get, using the values in the table, you will get 0.2294613, which to 5 decimal places will be 0.22946. You're normally told the number of decimal places to round a question of 2. So this is the trapezium rule. Now, as I just said, this gives an underestimate for the curve. Now, the GeoGebra applet for this video, I will put in the notes of the video. So just go back and we'll look at it one more time. We can see we get fairly good agreement there from the value actually worked out by GeoGebra. Okay, I hope you've understood. This has been a video showing how to use the trapezium rule. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.